dirty. Hi butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, as you can tell from the title, it's actually a first impression review. I got this product and I'm very excited to share you and to show you. So titignan natin kung it's really effective. And apparently, yung mga reviews ng iba, they said it's really effective. So na-curious na rin ako. So I thought, why not? I know some girls out there are medyo na mabalbon. So ako, thankful pa rin ako. Thank you, Baba, for this, balbon. Kasi, hindi naman siya masyadong halata, diba? Pero there are some na medyo makapal na, ganyan. Especially dun sa legs ko, medyo hairy nga siya. So, it come to a point na nung high school pa lang kami ng sister ko, we start shaving na. Kasi medyo na, kami, nako-conscious na. There is nothing wrong of being balbon. As ladies that we want also to look nice, wearing shorts, ayan, wearing skirts, ayan. So I was saying, medyo mainit. Teka lang, itali ko na nga lang yung hair. So this product removes hair by destroying it at the base closest to your skin. So this is the crystal. Oops. So this is the Crystal Hair Remover by Nail Staple. Ayan, ang cute ng packaging niya, diba? So I come across their website actually, their Instagram account, and I'm very happy kasi siguro the day before nung pagka-ship out niya, it was already sold out. Marami nang bumili or gusto mong i-try itong product na to. So, ito na nga siya. This is their packaging. It's kind of pinkish na, I may say na rose ang color, na velvet. Something like that, the color. Ang ganda actually ng color. Nagustuhan ko yung color. I will show you the packaging of itself. And what I like about here, ito na their complete, there, it focused. Their complete instructions about the product itself and how to use it and where should you use it. Okay? So, sa mga girls dyan, if you're hairy sa arms, sa knuckles, on your legs, yes, you can use this product. And even sa men, actually, you can also use and try this product. Kasi alam mo yung mga mabalbon kayo sa chest and sa back area, you can also use this product. And for us ladies, we also go to the salon to get wax on our bikini line. This is also great to get rid of sa bikini line. If you are sensitive skin, mag-test muna kayo sa isang small parts only. So, something here or here. Let's see it. So, it came up with this one. Ayan. So, medyo may konting dent siya, pero at least hindi na dent yung product, diba? So, they have two colors. I got the rose gold one. So, silang black and gold. I'll show you a picture here. And I got the rose gold. Wala lang. Same price lang sila actually. If you're wondering na bakit ko kinuha si gold, mas pricey ba or mas cheaper? Yung isa ay matte black and yung isa naman ito rose gold. So, it comes with this, a packaging in plastic. Pinoprotect niya siguro itong pang-remover natin. Okay. So, let's test it out. Ang cute, no? Para siyang sabon. Oops. Nadikitan tuloy. Ay, ano ba yan? Nadumihan ko. Ay. Ayan, so it looks like this. Para siyang soap. Diba? So, sa front area, this is what it looks like. Pag sinuwipe ko yung aking kamay dito, medyo soft siya. So, I wondered how natatanggal yung balbon. Okay. Okay, walang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go through it. So, from their website, it's a gentle exfoliator. It's a painless hair remover. Tingnan natin. No electricity required. Apparently, yes. No electricity required. Ang ganda ng itsura niya. I really love how it looks. So, I'm wondering where should I try to take it off. Kasi ayoko sa arms ko. Although, it's a kinda hairy na rin. Pero, I never take off the hair on my arms. Kasi, sabi nila, pag na-start mo na, medyo kakapal. Which is nangyari nga sa legs ko. When I start waxing it and shaving it, medyo kumapal na siya at mabilis na tumubo. So, let's do it on my legs. So, syempre, di ko naman papakita lahat, diba? So, I'll just show you a small part area. So, medyo mahaba na siya. Please don't judge me. You know, how to say it? It's okay kasi sa akin eh. I don't mind actually sa hairy legs ko. So, let's try. So, ito po yung legs ko. Ayan, ito ng hair ng legs ko. Yes, akin po ito. Wag cake. So, let's try on this area muna. So, nakikita naman. Oh, wait lang, medyo nahirapan ako. Tamaan sa chan ko. Ayan. Okay. So, let's try on this area muna. This is the Crystal Hair Remover. Let's put it sabi. According sa instructions nila is you need to firmly place the hair remover on your skin and move gently in a circular motion, cleaning off any removed hair from the tool as you go.
Hala! Ang galing! Oh, no pain at all, guys! No pain at all! Wait lang. Can I do the whole legs? Wait. Can I? Can I circle motion? Okay. Whoa! Do you see that? Hala! Amazing, guys! Hala, grabe siya. Ang galing! So, ito pa yung part na may hair pa. Ito yung part na wala na. At, tingnan natin yung product na to. Ayun, kung makikita
Mo may mga hair.
may hair na something at may mga white. Ano itong white? Dry skin char. Oh yeah, because this is also an exfoliator eh. So, diba, 2-in-1 na siya, guys. It's an exfoliator and hair remover. Oh, diba? Bongga, it's very soothing, guys. So, let's try. Oh, natest na natin tong part na to na... So, natest na natin to. Medyo nawala na siya. Ayun, guys. Now, let's try hanggang dito. Tapos, i-compare natin. Oh,
Ay, medyo parang na ano siya, oh. Parang may naiiwan sa loob. Kita nyo guys, parang, hala, wag naman sana magkaroon ng strawberry skin. Okay, so, ayan. Medyo natanggal na. May naiwan pang part na to at ito yung ibang hair. Oh my gosh, naaliw talaga ako. Ay, ang-dry po ng balat mo, Xiao. Lumalabas yung pagka-dry skin ko. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Hindi na kasi ako nag-lotion eh. I will try to use this product. Ayan. So, ito na yung result. Obviously naman, di ba? Nakita nyo naman. Natanggal siya, guys. In a circular motion lang. At ito na yung mga hair, oh. Kita nyo. Nagsistay pa siya dito. Some fall off. Pero ang weird, hinahanap ko saan napunta. Siguro sa floor na, nako yung floor ko pa naman is wood. Sana kita agad siya. Anyway, ayan. At, wow! Ay, hindi pantay yung kulay ng arms at legs ko, day. Kasi, lagi ako nakapants. At ito, lagi ito nakabilat sa araw. Grabe, I'm really amazed sa product na to. Grabe. Take note ha, hindi na ako nag-lotion kasi sabi ko, teka lang, pag nag-lotion ako, baka hindi maging effective. Pero, lumabas yung pagka-dry skin ko. Lumabas yung mga pagka-dry skin ko. At ang sobrang soft niya, guys. Dirty, do you want to touch it?
Soft.
Is it soft? So you can clean it pala with water and soap. Then allow it to dry. So wag mo nang ipat ng tissue or any towel. So just air dry na lang siya. So water and soap lang siya. Okay, let's cut to the chase na. This is 11 out of 10. This is super duper ang ganda nito. Super effective. If you guys sasabihin nyo magkano na, so ito na yung price. So I bought this one for 1,699. So almost 1,700 na siya, diba? My shipping fee is 95 pesos within Metro Manila. So 95 pesos lang yung shipping fee niya. At ang bilis pagka-deliver. Nag-order ako gabi. Dumating siya 2 days after. Hands down ako sa technology na to. And how? Apparently, the product claim prolonged use will reduce hair thickness and regrowth, leaving hair softer and easy to remove. So it's just say rub gently in a circular motion. The benefits of this product, I'm very happy, and it's really, really true. The circular rubbing motion massage assist in proper blood circulation and exfoliate dead skin cells that leave your skin silky smooth. So sabi ko na nga be, those white things na nakita ko na parang nagbuo-buo siya na parang hair follicles, those are your dead skin cells. So it's okay kasi it's 2-in-1 product na nga, like I said. It exfoliates your skin. At the same time, it removes your hair. So this is a unlimited use. Yes. Unlimited use. Just take care of it with water and soap. Wash it. No ingrown hair. It's eco-friendly. No electricity. Apparently, diba? So, no electricity required. Chemical-free. It's painless. And it's gentle exfoliate our skin. Sang kapal girls, diba? By the way, this is not a paid promotion from their company as well. I personally do this vlog because I want to share with you, diba? Sharing is caring nga, ika nga eh, diba? If you want to have that silkier, smooth arms, legs, go ahead and try this out. I will also put their website mismo on the description box. You can order it through their website. You can also message them in Instagram. I will also put their Instagram account. So this is the modern and painless way to get a softer and smoother skin. Diba? So alright guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you like it. I'm really happy sa outcome ng video na to. So if you want to know more about the product, please do visit their website. I'll also post it down. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comments down below. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer it. And don't forget to be kind to everyone. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!